Willkommen in Ober Detlef's Elfen Dungeon. There are no elves, and it's not a dungeon, but whatever. Sponsored by Tryop. So, you look around at all your different energy systems, batteries, fuel cells, pumped hydro, flywheels, whatever, and think, this is too many things. There must be one elegant medium that does everything. The solution is a compressed air economy. You take the manta compressor from the kite boat in episode 14, or solar power from episode 9 running hubless pumps from episode 6, or even the space Vip's momentum recapture energy from episode 13. Compress the air and then use that stored pressure for everything. Water pumping, old school, but now with modern high pressure pipes and expanders. Cryogenics? Just let the air expand through the Joule-Thomson valve and watch it get cold enough to liquefy gases. Powering vehicles? Air cars. Tools? Air tools. Air everything. No batteries to degrade. No combustion. Just clean, hissing power. And, for the big picture, CAES, Compressed Air Energy Storage, is actually grid-scale compatible. You can score gigawatt hours in underground caverns or purpose-built tanks with round-trip efficiencies that get better and better when you also store the heat of compression for later use. It all connects. The same compressors, the same pipes, the same tanks, whether you're on a boat, in a city, or running national power grid. Cheap, scalable, and you can literally see and hear the energy moving around. So there you have it. The Tryop Compressed Air Economy. For when electricity is too abstract and you want an energy system you can feel working. Well, that was it for Colonel Detlef's Invention House. Auf Wiedersehen.